Hello guys. Today something very special. I'm going to slowly cook a roast beef at 120 degrees Celsius on the kamado. I will use my temperature probe from meter plus to do that. I'm very sorry, but I can't show it to you directly on my phone how it works and how it does it. But I assure you it's great. If you buy a meter or a meter plus, it's great. It's great. It has a distance of up to 5 meters and it's very good. And I'm going to slice the meat up and then place it on a burger bun with a good sauce. I'm going to show you in a minute. It will be awesome. I think it's about to be the best burger, if I can call it a burger with sliced meat, I ever had in the world. Follow me, I'll show you how I did it. So here we are at the kamado. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you the temperature. It's 130 degrees, I think 135 degrees Celsius. Here we go. We place the meat in the center and the probe, we place it directly to the center. Let's close this back up. There we go. Let's set it on the phone. I will show you a screenshot I took on my phone of the temperature I took. Let's go for about 56 degrees Celsius at the core temperature. I think that might be great. See the screenshot for more.
As you can see, 6 degrees inside the meat, 58 we want, and in our kamado it's 116 at the moment.
So as you see, the screenshot I just took is about from 2 minutes ago. It shows 120 degrees Celsius, and on the probe here it says 150, 151. So it's about a difference of 30 degrees Celsius. So keep that in mind if you have a barbecue like this, kamado or whatever barbecue you have. A probe is very correct. This, you cannot trust this. Don't trust this. Just don't look at it. Or if you have the same as mine, take 30 degrees off and then it's the correct temperature. I think about the correct temperature. Let me show you a quick look of the hamburger buns I am baking for this mission. Now let's get those in the oven. One hour and approximate 20 minutes have passed. My alarm just went off on my phone. Internal temperature is 58 degrees Celsius. Oh wow, look at this. Wow, great. Look at the color. Looks great. Let's cut it open and put it on the hamburger when we slice it up. So I forgot to mention, the meat still has to rest for about 15 minutes. And I also forgot to mention, this meat is about 400 grams. So let's wrap it up in aluminum foil and let it rest for 15 minutes. The meat has been resting for 15 minutes. Let's have a look and slice it up. Whoa, a little bit of juice. Oh, the smell is awesome. Even outside I can smell it. Let's slice it. Let's go this side. Oh wow, look at this. It's great. On my burger in a few minutes this will taste like something I've never had before in a burger. Wow, I'm going to try it. Oh, look, super juicy, super soft meat. Great. Let's make the burgers. Finally finished. Let's make a burger out of this. This is our bun I've just baked, like I've shown you in the middle of the video. So let's make a burger out of this. Oh, the sauce wants to escape. There we go. A little bit more sauce. Slice of cheese. And then, because it's very hot at this time, let's try something different. Oh. And add some apple. Must be very refreshing. Wow. And a little bit of salad. There we go. A little bit more sauce. And on top, oh wow. There we go. Oh guys, look at this. I hope you try this at home. Once I'm going to make a video about this hamburger bun. It's amazing. Enjoy your meal, guys. So, as you have seen, again, another very simple recipe with one of the best, I can't say hamburger because it's actually not ham, but it's one of the best burgers you will ever eat. It's so refreshing. The apple from the fridge, the salad from the fridge. If you bite in it, the warm sandwich or the warm bun from the hamburger, and then the freshness of the apple, the crunchiness of the apple, the smoky flavor from the meat. It's great. You should try it. And especially, I will post a video of the hamburger bun if I have time. It's one of the best recipes I've ever tasted. It's great. Now, I've just finished eating. I'm going to have a mojito, guys. See you